Hear me, we arise with a broom of fire over your father's house. Everything that is not of God, the sound of your amen, let them be swept out. In 6 weeks, there will be a loud celebration in your father's house. Things are gonna happen so fast. Your head will swim. Everything will be happening at the same time. Wherever you look, blessings, blessings. Every evil journey, wherever. Let the throne of righteousness rest in your family. Let the throne of the fear of the Lord rest in your family. Let the throne of holiness rest in your family. I decree, let the atmosphere of glory, let it rest in your family. We announce no more open grave in your family. People will not gather to tell you sorry. What you thought was going to bring down your family will make your family rise high. What your family lost has been restored. Right now, your name is on that list. Every attack on the mind of any of your family members, schizophrenia, bipolar, ADHD, whatever it is, I announce, let it be reversed. For you to know, the King of Glory has stepped into your family. Any token of hell that anybody brought into your family, some of them may not hear this prayer, but you will hear it on their behalf. Any token of hell they brought in, any pot, any cloth, any instrument they brought in into your family, hey, Yakoborosha, by the power that raises Jesus from the dead, let it scatter now. I am not talking spiritually. I am not talking spiritually. I am not saying spiritually. Physically. If it is buried, let fire exhume it. Let it scatter. If they are hanging it on anyone, let it fall. If they placed it on any girl, let it scatter. If they buried it on any ground, let fire exhume it. Let us scatter. Deliverance. It is the new season. Your family is delivered. Your family is made whole. Right now, I see a wave of joy. I see a wave of celebration. It's coming for your family.